When it comes to home improvement, one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing a new door. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property, but it also boosts security, energy efficiency, and functionality. However, the key to enjoying these benefits lies in choosing the right door installation service. If you're in Houston and looking to upgrade your doors, here's a guide to help you find a service that meets your needs. Assess your needs and preferences before you start searching for a door installation service. It's essential to have a clear idea of what you're looking for. Are you installing a front door, a patio door, or an interior door? Each type of door installation requires different expertise, so knowing your needs helps narrow down your options. Consider factors like the style of the door, the material, wood, steel, fiberglass, etc., and the specific functionality you want. If you're unsure, an experienced contractor can offer guidance on the best options based on your home's design and your budget. Experience and reputation matter. When selecting a door installation service, experience is crucial. Look for companies with a proven track record of successful installations. Established businesses often have a portfolio of past work that you can review to ensure their expertise matches your needs. Reputation plays a significant role in making an informed decision. Start by reading online reviews, checking ratings on trusted platforms, and asking friends or family for recommendations. A well-reviewed service is more likely to deliver high-quality work and customer satisfaction. Verify licensing and insurance. In Houston, just like in any other major city, working with a licensed and insured contractor is a must. The installation of doors requires skilled craftsmanship and adherence to local building codes. A reputable door installation service will have the necessary licenses, certifications, and insurance to ensure their work complies with city regulations and protects you in the event of damage or accidents during the installation. Don't hesitate to ask the company for proof of these credentials before moving forward. Get multiple estimates. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. To make an informed decision, it's wise to request estimates from at least 3 different door installation services. This not only gives you an idea of the average cost but also helps you understand the scope of the work each company offers. When comparing estimates, be sure to ask for a detailed breakdown of the cost, including labor, materials, and any additional fees that may arise. Keep in mind that the cheapest option might not always be the best, so consider the overall value each company provides. Ask about warranty and aftercare services. A professional door installation service should offer warranties for both the door and the installation itself. This ensures that if any issues arise after the installation, you won't be left to deal with it alone. Inquire about the length and coverage of the warranty before hiring a service. Additionally, ask whether the company offers aftercare services, such as maintenance or repairs, in case problems occur down the line. A long-term commitment to customer satisfaction is a sign of a quality service provider. Evaluate customer service. The quality of customer service you receive during the consultation and installation process is a good indicator of what to expect from the company. Friendly, professional, and responsive communication is key to a smooth experience. A company that listens to your needs, answers your questions promptly, and provides clear, honest communication is more likely to deliver a satisfying experience. It's important to feel comfortable with the team working on your home, as this can make a significant difference in the overall outcome of your project. Look for specialization in door installation. While many contractors offer general home improvement services, it's often best to choose a company that specializes specifically in door installations. Specialized services tend to have a more refined skill set and deeper knowledge of different door types, materials, and installation methods. A specialist will also be more adept at troubleshooting any unexpected challenges that may arise during the installation process, ensuring a smoother and faster job. Consider energy efficiency, especially in Houston, where the climate can be hot and humid. Choosing energy-efficient doors is a wise decision. Look for door installation services that offer doors with energy-saving features, such as insulated cores, weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass. These types of doors can help regulate the temperature inside your home, lowering energy costs over time. Conclusion: choosing the right door installation service in Houston involves careful consideration of your needs, budget, and the expertise of the company. By focusing on factors like experience, reputation, licensing, warranty, and customer service, you can ensure a seamless installation process and enjoy the benefits of a well-installed, high-quality door for years to come. With the right professionals by your side, your new door can transform your home, offering both functionality and beauty.